Welcome back. Let's get you breaking updates now coming in. Due to the rising heat across the country, the demand for electricity is also increasing. And over the past 4 days, electricity demand has broken all previous records. The maximum daytime electricity demand has increased drastically, and that is because of the weather, of course. Joining us on the broadcast as Times Now is Hina Gambhir to get us more details of this. Hina, it's extremely hot. We're seeing that kind of weather in Delhi NCR region, multiple areas across the country as well. What is the Ministry of Power saying on the rising demand for electricity and the load that it's having?
Well, Ministry of Power is actually urging people to be a little more judicious when it comes to usage of fans, air conditioners, etc. because of the ongoing heat waves that we are seeing, especially across North India and northwestern part of the country. So Ministry of Power, in fact, has indicated that the peak demand, in fact, has broken all previous records in the last 4 days specifically, even though the government, Ministry of Power specifically has said, is ready to meet any requirement of electricity. But at the same time, it is important for people to be a little more careful, little bit more judicious when they are using ACs, fans, etc. in their homes, especially during the daytime. So between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. is when we have seen the peak demand, in fact, also increasing for electricity.
So is it going to affect the electricity in any way? Is there any worry of that sort, Hina, or is it an advice that has been given to the consumers to be judicious with their usage of fans and ACs?
Well, looking at this particular data and also increase in electricity demand, one can say that if this continues, if heat wave also continues the way it is right now, remember temperatures are around 46 to 47 degrees Celsius across North India and some parts of Northwest and Central India as well. So one should be ready for power cuts if this continues. But if you look at the message that has come in from Ministry of Power today, then it is an assurance that they are ready to deal with the current requirement and also the demand that is expected, say, over the next few weeks or so. But people need to be a little judicious in their usage.
Okay, all right, Hina, thank you for joining us with those details. So that's the message, viewers. It's very hot, but because of the kind of load that it is causing to the electricity grids, be judicious in your usage. With that, a very quick break. We'll be right back. Stay with us.